Welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are going to do one of my favorite and tumblers. Okay, and we are going to be using our Marabu alcohol inks. Okay, we are going to be using the metallic blue. Let's see. We're also going to be using the metallic violet. Okay. And then later on we are going to use the white. Okay, show you a little trick with that one. All right. And right over here I have mixed my A and B in warm water inside. This is just a silicone wine glass that I cut the top about 3/4 of an inch so that way I could fit both of these cups for A and B. Okay, and so I have mixed up about 15 mLs of epoxy. Okay, and what that does whenever I bathe the epoxy is that it lets it relax. And let's see if I can get over here on this side. I'm doing this kind of sideways, so bear with me. Okay, and we're going to want to put a good amount of epoxy on this because when we put the alcohol inks on here, we're going to want them to move. Okay. This is kind of hard to do this sideways, but the best bet for y'all. Okay, so you see the bubbles that are in there right now. I am going to take an embossing gun and I will blow those out in just a minute and move everything around just a little bit. Okay. Alright. On the silicone mat here is Wonders. Alright, so now I'm going to use just a regular embossing gun. On there, and it's fairly smooth. I am going to take the Marabu Metallic Violet, and I'm going to bear with me. Let me slide my gloves on. Okay. And then you are just going to go and you are going to drip just random. Okay, let that get moving. Ooh, the metallic in here is really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to do the same with the metallic blue. Shake it up. And it's no rhyme or reason. You're just wanting to make sure that you have a lot on here. You can even put it in the middle. Okay. But you want it to cover as much as you can. That's pretty whenever you mix it together. Okay. All right. Okay, we're going to let that spin a little bit and let it move. Okay, and I may add just a little bit more blue. Alright. Yeah, it does need a little more blue. See if I can. All right. All right, and I'm going to let that spin, and I'm actually going to move it around just a little bit. So it mixes up a little bit. This one I'm really going to need to shake up. Just a little random. Okay. All right. Okay. And I may just go back in and put just a little bit more of the blue, and then maybe a little bit of the purple. Okay. All right. I'm going to move it a little bit. Okay, you can go back and you can add, I think I want to add some more blue. Let's see. I may need to use an actual pen next time. because the metallic seems to not want to come out as good. Okay, now it's really starting to move. You can see at the top. It spins, the more it's going to change. And you can just keep on going, a little more or a little less, how you would like to do this. I'm going